Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see Class 3 Mathematics, Chapter number 8. The lesson name is Fair Share. Okay, so in this lesson, all we are going to learn about the calculation of equal shares. Okay, so the lesson name itself they have given fair share, which means we are sharing something equally. Okay, for example, if you have 10 chocolates and you have two friends, how we will share these chocolates equally to them? In 10, we have two fives. So 2 into 5, which is equal to 10, right? So each friend will get 5 chocolates. So 5 to one friend and 5 to another one. So this is called as equal sharing. Okay. So in this lesson, all we are going to learn about the sharing and how they are sharing equally along with the mathematics. Okay. So let's go into this lesson now. Students, those who require worksheet for practice, you have to subscribe and join the channel. Okay. So those who have joined the channel, I'll be sending the sample worksheets through email. All right. So here comes the lesson. Sapnam and Mukta are enjoying their lunch break. So what happened? They are enjoying the lunch break. So this is a conversation between them. So one of them they are telling, "Do you want chocolates?" It's a sports day actually. They are celebrating the sports day and she's asking, "Do you want chocolate?" "Yes, please," she is replying. "Do you have to share your paratha with me?" Okay, so what is happening? One girl is holding chocolate, another one is holding paratha. So, paratha, they have to share the chocolate and paratha equally. Okay, so let's see. How do you think they are going to share the chocolate and paratha equally? Okay, let's see how they are going to share them equally. So, first, this girl, she gave a piece of chocolate to her, but she is telling, "It is not fair. You have given me a bigger part." So, this is a piece of chocolate she is holding, but if you see the size, it is bigger than the size she is holding. So, she is replying, "Did I? So, did I give a bigger part?" Then she is telling, "These are not equal. We will divide the paratha equally." Okay, so she's telling these chocolates are not equal, but we will divide the paratha equally. Okay, so for example, so I'm going to draw a bar of chocolate here. So imagine that this is the bar of chocolate. So this is a bar of chocolates. So if we are going to divide this chocolate equally, it should be like this. You should break the chocolate in the center position. So if you do like that, you will get equal two pieces. But if you break another place, not in a center part, for example, if you're breaking the chocolate here, this portion is a smaller portion, this one will become a smaller portion and this one become a bigger portion. So this is not equal. Okay. So that is what they are discussing. The chocolate is not, they are not having an equal share. But what they are planning? They are planning to share the paratha equally. Okay. So let's see the next one. How do you share object equally? So how do you share the object equally? So to share the object equally, first we need to check what shape it is. Okay, for example, if you're having a square shape, maybe you're having a square shape paper, and if you want to share it equally to two different friends, what you have to do? Either you have to cut the paper in the center and you can take two halves, or you can cut like this also, vertically, or you can cut horizontally, whichever you feel comfortable you can cut, and you can divide, and both are same size. Okay, so why is Shabnam folding paratha over itself? So why she is folding? If you see, she is holding paratha in his hand. She is holding paratha and she is folding the paratha. Why she is folding a paratha? If she folds the paratha, so imagine that this is the paratha, and if she folds the paratha, there is a small line forms in the center. So they can cut the paratha equally and they can share the paratha. So that is the reason for folding the paratha. Okay, so let's see. So this is the whole paratha. If you see, this one is the whole paratha. Whole paratha in the sense the full one, full paratha. So this one is the full paratha. Pick the paratha that has been cut equally. So you have to check which one is cut equally. So see this one. There is a line in between, but it is not in center. So this portion is a bigger portion, and this portion is the smaller portion. So this one is not equally cut. So when you check this one is the smaller portion, and this one is the bigger portion, and this is also not equally cut. But when you look at this barotta, the line is drawn in the center, and this one is also equal, and this one is also equal. So this one is the exact paratha which is having equal in size. Okay. So next, when one whole is shared equally between two people, each share is called as half. So if you are sharing this paratha, this whole paratha, this portion is called as an half portion, and this portion is called as an half portion. Okay, so let me show you an example. For example, if you're going to have an orange, so imagine that this is an orange. Okay, and these two girls are sharing that orange. And if we want to give these girls orange, then you have to divide this orange equally, right? So one half she is going to take, another half she is going to take. So this portion is called as half, and this portion again is called as an half. Okay, half makes one full object. Okay, so another example is given. See here, they have drawn a rectangle and they divided the rectangle into two halves. Okay, so how many halves make one whole? Check with small view. So how many halves make one whole? This one half and this is the second half. So two halves. So two halves make one full whole. Okay, very easy one. So let's see the next one. Circle the shapes where half of the whole is shaded. So we need to circle the shape where half of the whole is shaded. So this is the whole, and half of the whole is this one. So half of the whole shaded means it should be shaded like this. Okay. So in case if they are asking full whole is shaded means this is full whole shaded. Okay. Clear? So let's erase this out. Okay. So I'm going to change the color to look little brighter. Okay. So let's see. Circle the shape where half of the whole is shaded. So this one is the kite shape, and see half of the kite is shaded here. Okay. So this one we need to circle. Okay, and this one is a pizza. And pizza, this is the half of the pizza, but they have not shaded half. Okay, they have shaded more than enough. So this is not the correct one. And look at this apple. It's divided into half and they have shaded the half portion. So you have to circle. Again, this is a bottle. So this is the half of the bottle. So they did not shade the half of the portion. This is little extra. So again, I'm going to give a cross mark. This one is a rectangle shaped bar and they have shaded the half of the portion. So we're going to circle. Okay. And in example, if for imagine they are yeah, 1 minute. Okay. So they are giving this. Let me draw maybe a box. Okay, imagine in exam they are giving you a box and they are asking to shade half of this object. What you have to do, you have to draw line in center and then you have to draw or strike lines like this. Or if you have color pencil, you can easily color it over like this. You can shade over. Understood? So half of the side is shaded. Okay. Okay, let me erase this out. Let's go back. Okay, next. Draw a line to show one half of the whole. So we need to draw a line in between to show one half of the whole. Okay, so here the square shape is given. Either you can draw a line vertically or horizontally. For example, if you're drawing a line like this, it will show one half. So this one is the first half, this one is the second half. Okay, and if you have a sugar cane here, you can draw a line in the center. And this board, you can draw a center line like this. And for pizza, again, you can draw a line in the center. Okay. So all these are important questions for your exam students. These will come in 1 mark question. And if they are giving 2 to 3 image, you can get 2 marks. Okay. So next one. Shabnam has eaten some chickies from 3 sides. Pick how much chickies left. Less than half, more than half, equal. Okay. So first count how many chickies are there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And how many columns and rows we have? We have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. So 6 fours are 24. Okay, first let's count how many chickies has been eaten. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 has been eaten. And how many left out? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is also 12. So half. So if you add 12 plus 12, it's 24. It comes to the whole and one half of that is 12. So half is the correct answer. Okay. So next question. By show by coloring half a chicky that has been eaten from 2 sides. Okay, let's see. Let's color it out. I'm taking blue one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 24 chickies are there. So we need to color this out. Okay, we can shade like this. So this side 6 and this side again 6, because they told us half side we need to finish it over. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so do it very neatly, students. Okay, so now we have completed. So what we have done on the right hand side and on the left hand side, we have taken two halves equally. Okay, let's count and see whether we have done it correctly. So totally we have 24. The whole is 24. So the half part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this sides we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 5, 6. So this side is also 6. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So Chicky has been eaten 12 and left out again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12. 12 plus 12, which is equal to 24. So we have done it correctly. Okay. So the question again is, show by coloring half a chicky that has been eaten from two sides. Okay. So we have eaten half chickies equally from both the sides. All right. So next one. Draw a line to show different ways of making half. Okay. This one is also a exam question, students. Important question. Okay. So you just have to draw a line to make them half equally. So here you can draw a center line. So they have given dots, so it will be easily you can easily make a line and separate them equally. You use your scale, so it will be very easy. Okay. So here you can draw a center line, and this side you can draw another center line, and this one you can draw another center line. Okay, I'm not using scale. So if you will have scale, so use a scale and do it correctly. Okay, so next one, complete the whole picture by drawing the other half. So you have to complete the whole picture by drawing the other half. So that is also very easy. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, and then complete this triangle. This one, easy. So easily you can complete. Okay. So next one, take a rectangular sheet of paper and fold it half. Find all the different ways of making half. Take a square paper and fold it in half. Find all different ways to make an half. Okay, so it is very, very simple. See, this one is a rectangular paper, and if you fold this rectangular paper, what will become? It will become two halves. So this one is the first half and this one is the second half. Okay, again, if you're folding like this way, in this way, you will get another two halves. So this one is the third half and this one is the fourth half. Okay. Likewise, if you take a square paper and if you are folding the square paper, you will get first half and second half. This is whole and this one is half and half. Two halves make one full whole. Okay. So let's see the next one. They have given a small, I think, a story like thing. Okay. We'll complete this and end up with part 1 video. Okay. So let's see. Okay, there was an old man with two sons, Amit and Bala. He gave a mango tree, a solar lamp, and wooden blanket to them. He asked them to share these things among themselves. Amit was cunning man. He told his brother, "Let us share the object equally. I will keep the fruits, you keep the tree. I will keep the lamp during the night, you can keep during the day. I will keep the blanket for half of the year during winter, you can keep it for half the year during summer." Bala agreed. So, there is a question based on this. Is this a fair way of sharing? This No, this is not a fair way of sharing, right? Is there another way to share is fairly? So they are asking whether it is fair way of sharing. It is not a fair way because one person is keeping the tree, another person is keeping taking all the fruits. So which is not a fair. So what they have to do? They have to share the tree equally. Maybe like this. So one half to Amit and one half to Bala. So they can collect the fruits from the right hand side to Bala and left hand side to Hamid. Like this, they can share the tree in halfway. Okay. And light. So light is needed only during the night, right? Because daytime we have the natural sunlight, which is the sun. So we don't require the light. So night time, yes, they can share the light for both of them. And blanket, again, either they have to share the blanket equally and sleep together, or they have to cut the blanket equally and they have to divide this blanket as two half. This one is the another half and this one is the other half. So Amit can take this blanket, and Bala can take this blanket. Okay, they can cut the bangle into, oh my god, I'm not sure why I'm telling bangle. So it is blanket. So they can cut the blanket into two halves, and half Hamid can use, another half Bala can use. Likewise, they can share the blanket. And banana tree, so it's mango tree also, they can cut into two half, and one side mangoes can be collected by Amit, and the second side mangoes can be collected by Bala. So this way they can have a fair deal. Okay. So Hamid was really cunning, right? So we have to share everything equally. So if we share like this, it will be a fair deal. Okay. So we have completed till this, and we have one, two, three, four, 5, 6 pages, so that we will see these pages in part 2 video. Okay. So once the part 2 video is over, I'll be sending the worksheet for practice, all right? And worksheet will be shared only for the students, those who have joined the channel. If you have joined, you can send me a screenshot mentioning your name and class so that I'll note it. So next time I'll be sending all the worksheet only through email, all right? So you all have a wonderful day, students. If you have any doubts or any queries, or if you have any questions, you can always send me an email. My email address I have given in the description box, okay? So all have a wonderful day. Take care and be safe. Bye bye.